ASI Computer Systems is committed to constant innovation and improvement that is provided to you through the ProfitMaker updates. We've recently made several enhancements to make ProfitMaker even more indispensable. This video will review the new enhancement to accept ESP orders service files. Please note, this requires Advantage Database version 10.0 or higher and .NET Framework 4.5 or higher. This option is located under the Orders flyout and then selecting Accept ESP Order Service Files. A new service is available to allow the creation and updating of ProfitMaker customers and vendors from ESP orders and allows the downloading of the order from ESP CRM. Rather than selecting the order download and then copying the XML file to the proper folder, you can install a separate service that will run outside of ProfitMaker. Please note, for this option to work, each day it must be open. Select the Auto Accept at the bottom of the screen, then you can minimize it and let it run for the day. Scheduled processes that will run. Check ESP CRM for new customers and vendors and pull those customers and vendors into ProfitMaker if they do not previously exist. Check ESP CRM for updated customers and vendors and update the associated ProfitMaker customer and vendor record with any changes. Create ProfitMaker orders based on the ESP CRM order record. This is a create-only process and does not include any updates that are applied to the ESP order after the ProfitMaker order is created. The ASI Computer Systems System Support Department will work with you to confirm your system and environment meets the requirements to use this service. The ASI Computer Systems Software Support Department will work with you to configure the setup of the service, defining the scheduler for how often new and updated records from the ESP CRM are retrieved. They will also assist in configuring the setup and service to retrieve new ESP orders. As part of this service, the new Auto Accept action is available within the Accept ESP Orders Export Files option. Use the Auto Accept option. You must install and configure this service. Once complete, the XML files that are retrieved by the service will be moved to the correct folder. When using Accept ESP orders into order entry and the Auto Accept option is selected, orders imported into ProfitMaker are ready to be printed. We're going to select our Auto Accept button, and our orders will begin to import. Once we have this option running, we can minimize it and continue our daily work while it runs in the background. Orders that fail to import will be rejected, moved, and reported into the log file located in a subfolder of the folder where the XML files are referenced. The folder name will be Auto Accept Logs, and a new file is created each day listing the date and time the import was performed. The reason for failing to import the XML will be listed along with the XML file name. The rejected order files will be moved to an invalid auto import subfolder. This will allow you to correct the issue described in the new log, and once moved back to the XML folder path, it can be auto imported if all is correct. Reasons why an XML file may fail to import. Customer has exceeded credit limit, customer is on a hold status, invalid tax codes, invalid vendor, item not valid, more than 99 lines attempted to be created, the maximum allowed is 99. Parsing errors indicating the XML is not properly formed. Once corrected, by stopping the auto accept, you can continue to select each XML file to import them manually. And we'll go out and take a look at our folders. Under our data folder, in this case we call it ESP service, we have an auto accept logs folder and an invalid auto import folder. Under our auto accept log folder is our text file for auto accept log. This shows us our orders were accepted. If there were any orders that were not accepted, they would be listed here as well with the reason as to why they were not accepted. Our invalid auto import folder will contain any XML files that were not imported. We'll go ahead and close this. We'll stop our auto accept. Go back to our menu. And this will conclude the review of this new enhancement to accept ESP orders service files.